Welcome to this short breath meditation. Using your breath as a focal point for your meditation is the easiest, quickest, most mobile, most flexible way for you to be able to quickly drop into a space of feeling centered and grounded and present, and therefore bringing your nervous system down, helping you relax, helping you focus, helping any frenetic activity that's going on in your body or mind to settle. Your breath is there to relax you, to clear you, to focus you, to calm you. Every exhale is a meditation. And with eyes closed, being comfortable and ready, I want you to just take in your surroundings for a moment. Where are you? Are you inside? Are you outside? Just kind of out around the room or out around the area where you are. Just take in everything. A sense of the space around you. And then begin to bring your attention a little closer in. Perhaps you're sitting or lying. Just right to where you feel your body on the surface on which you sit or lie. Bring your attention closer. And then start to move your attention even more closely in and come into your breath. As if you're beginning to look at your breath down a telescope now. And nothing else exists other than your breath. And the first place we're going to focus is simply wherever your attention falls when you're asked to focus on your breath. Where is that in your body? And this place might change from time to time when you do this meditation. Where is that today? Where is your focal point when you are with your breath? Wherever that is for you, can you hone your attention there to the sensation that's happening there? Perhaps movement, perhaps you feel bones moving, muscles moving, skin on clothes. Just be with the expansion of your body as you breathe in and the relaxation of your body as you breathe out, wherever you feel that's happening for you. Every time your mind becomes distracted, that's fine. You're just noticing those distractions. You're noticing noise, thought, image. And you're just bringing your attention back to that gentle movement of breath. So now just begin to count your breath. As you breathe in, you're going to count 8, and as you breathe out, 8, and then in 7, out 7, and 6, and so on. And just slowly work your way backwards from 8 to 1. Not changing your breath, but just to yourself, counting as you go. But when you notice that your mind is distracted by something other than your breath and your count, you're going to go back to 8 and start again. And then let the count just come to an end. And now move your attention to just in front of your sternum. Just outside of your body there, right in front of your sternum. And I want you to imagine that at that point there's a little silver ball sitting there mid-air, right outside your sternum. And as you breathe in, that silver ball lifts up in front of you, up in front of your face, and it comes right up to your forehead. And as you breathe out, it gently drops back down to your sternum. And you breathe in and it lifts up. No effort or struggle. Can you slow your exhale down a little as that ball drops back down from forehead to sternum? And you might find that the image of that silver ball fades away, but you're left with that energetic feeling of the lift to the forehead on the inhale and the drop to the sternum on the exhale. And can you move that focus within your body? From your heart center, you lift up into the center of the head as you inhale. And as you exhale, that energetic movement comes back down, out of the head and into the heart center. Slow exhale. Just sigh your exhale. And I want you to now go to whichever of those 3 breath techniques you enjoyed the most. If you want to, continue with the energetic lift and drop, sternum to forehead. Or you focus on that point in your body where you feel the movement of your breath. Or perhaps you enjoy the clarity of the counting. 8, back to 1. Just be with whichever technique supports you the most to be present, focused, and relaxed. Nice, slow exhale. Just watch your mind. Just notice when it's distracted, bring it gently back. Be with your breath. And just stay with your favourite breath technique for today as long as you wish.